I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin, cleanse, and apply a light moisturizer so the color corrector spreads evenly. This prevents patchiness. Once done, assess the specific discoloration and choose the corrector hue for cancellation. Green neutralizes red, peach/orangey cancels blue or purple under-eye tones. Make sure to use a tiny amount first. Pressing and stippling with a fingertip or small brush gives control and thin coverage. You're building a base, not masking. Light layers blend more naturally and avoid cakiness. Once the corrector is applied, blend the edges outward to feather the color into your surrounding skin. A damp sponge gives a seamless finish while keeping coverage intact. After that, choose a concealer one shade lighter than your skin to brighten and harmonize. Press it over the corrected spots to merge tones rather than wiping away pigment. Make sure to set only the corrected zones with a light dusting of translucent powder so everything stays put without looking dry or overpowdered. You finish by applying foundation sparingly. Sheer or buildable formulas let the concealed area blend naturally into the face. Stipple product rather than sweeping to avoid disturbing layers beneath. Once blended, do targeted touch-ups with a tiny brush and a dab of concealer where needed, then reset. If the corrector still peeks through, neutralize with a thin concealer layer in a skin-matching shade and press a light powder on top. This corrects tone without adding thickness and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.